In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Slack. This integration can significantly boost your productivity by allowing you to easily share files and collaborate within your team directly from your Slack workspace. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step together. First, you'll want to open Slack and sign into your specific workspace. It's important to ensure that you are in the correct workspace where you plan to link Google Drive, as this setup is workspace specific. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already, especially focusing on the left sidebar, as this is where we'll begin the setup. In the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is essentially the gateway to integrating various services and tools with Slack. Here you'll be presented with a search bar, which is quite handy for finding specific apps amidst the multitude of options available. In the search bar, type Google Drive. As you start typing, you might see several suggestions pop up. Ensure that you select the Google Drive app from the list. You should see an option to add to Slack. Give that a click. By doing this, you're initiating the process to link the two services. At this point, you'll be prompted to follow a series of steps to install the app. Slack will guide you through these prompts, which are generally straightforward. You'll typically be required to grant the necessary permissions for Google Drive to integrate with Slack. These permissions are essential as they allow Slack to fetch your files from Google Drive and enable seamless sharing. It's crucial to carefully read the permissions and ensure you're comfortable with the level of access granted. You might be asked to log into your Google account during this setup if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct Google account linked to the drive you wish to connect. Once you've completed the prompts and installation, Google Drive will be successfully linked to your Slack workspace. To verify, you can look for a confirmation message or notification within Slack. Now you're all set to access and share your Google Drive content right from Slack. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, consider reaching out to your Slack administrator or checking Slack's help resources for detailed troubleshooting steps. With this integration, collaborating becomes even easier as you save time switching between platforms, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: working harmoniously with your team. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and simple for you. Happy collaborating!